What if we told you it's finally possible to enjoy the char-grilled, juicy, succulent food you love every day without the hassle of firing up your barbecue, standing out in the cold, and refilling propane tanks? Introducing the Power XL Smokeless Grill, the only indoor grill with smoke extracting technology. Watch again as it sucks up that smoke and odor like a vacuum. The 5-star reviews say it all. People love the Power XL Smokeless Grill.
I've never used an indoor grill that gave you outdoor charcoal results, ever.
I get the outdoor feeling, taste, and look of the food that I miss from our outdoor grill.
It heats up almost immediately. It gives you that char that you're looking for, and I was just shocked. Nothing. There was no smoke in the apartment. We didn't have to open the doors.
The Power Smokeless Grill really is smokeless.
I even asked Cheryl, where's the smoke?
You can grill juicy porterhouse, surf and turf, tender cowboy, and succulent jumbo shrimp, barbecue back ribs. Look at the char-grilled results. You'd never know it wasn't cooked on an outdoor grill. What's the secret? The heat source reaching 450 degrees Fahrenheit connects to the grill plate, so all that fat can drip through the grates into the drip tray below. This is the healthy way to cook, and that fat drains away through the open grill, just like an outdoor barbecue. The Turbo Speed Smoke Extractor technology captures and extracts virtually all the smoke. This means now you can have an open grill right in your kitchen. One press and it instantly starts heating. It's small enough for an apartment, but big enough to feed a hungry family. That's because the entire footprint is edge-to-edge grilling surface. Grill 8 large burgers, 3 whole racks of ribs. You can even grill an entire family meal and a whole chicken. Stop grilling with indoor grills that set your smoke alarm blaring. Now you can grill caramelized pork chops, barbecue street corn, stuff your burger with mac and cheese, grill a bounty of vegetables, and barbecue char-grilled game night wings. Every season in any weather. You can even grill from frozen. You can cook fast and serve in a flash. And here's exciting news. Add liquid, lemon, and herbs to the tray below and infuse your food with flavor as you grill. The LED variable heat control lets you adjust the heat from 175 to 450 degrees. Char-grill steak on high, slow grill pizza on medium for the wood-fired artisan taste. Toast melted cheese paninis over a low heat. Perfect for apartments, balconies, RVs, and boats. The heavy-duty cast aluminum grill plate is super non-stick. Fish skin down? Not a problem. Watch melted cheese come right off. Forget about grill plates that are attached to the base. They're impossible to clean. The grill plate and accessories are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze.